Yo, Sakafe, today I'm going to show you how to design one of the most used Afrobeat bass. To do so, we are going to use a stock plugin, not a pay plugin, a stock plugin. This bass has been used in a lot of mega hit songs. The last one I can think of is Police by Kiss Daniel, Angelique Kidjo, and Johnny Drill. So let's have some fun. First, let's listen to something that has this kind of it. I use a plugin called Sky, which is a paid plugin to achieve this one. And one of my subscriber asked to create this one with a free plugin, so I'm gonna use a stock plugin to create this. So here is how it sounds. That's a really crazy bass. So now let's get back to create a new project, and first I'm going to layer some chord progression and then after design the bass. So stick with me. It's gonna be crazy. 105 is gonna be our tempo, and let's add a flex. We are going to use only stock plugin for this tutorial. Let's go to piano. Let's use this electric piano. I know it's not on time, so I wanted to play them and then put them on time. This one right here, and then this here. I'll Q, we quantize everything, and then we have Command L. Or maybe we take this one. Okay, Command L. This one is too loud, I think. And you know it's electric piano, you can go down to make it sound smoother. Alt X, take them down. Nice. Command B, so we can have like 4 bars. Now let's try to combine it with other instruments so it can sound like better. Let's use the Kepler X. So there's a preset. I save this pad right there. Command C, Command V. 1 octave low. Nice. And I want to add another instrument, another piano. Let's use this electric. The first one, Command C, Command V, and now let's balance them. That's smooth. Nice. Woo. Okay, let's add them to the pattern 1. And then we add a little EQ. And also we can maybe add a chorus. And also some reverb. Today is sound design time, you know, today is the day for sound design. That sounds nice. And let's add maybe some drum. Use the Afrobeat mini starch. The link is in the description box, guys, for this drum kit. Let me add this shaker, and we need some percussion. Let's use this one, basic Afrobeat percussion, and we go 4 bars. Let's add the last instrument and then we jump to designing this bass. I think I'm gonna go to this one. There's some preset that I really love, which is this one. Like, dun, 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 dun. Now let's create the bass. Let's go to morphing. We go here and we go to keyboard, and then we find a sine keyboard, which is this one right there. You see how it sounds? So one thing we're gonna do is like use the equalizer. You see, we remove the high frequencies. Let's remove 250, 500. Like, now we want to add some wheelies. So yeah, you see, that's how you want it. Remove the delay. You see, nice. This is it. This is it. I think I want to add a log drum. Let's load the floaty extend. Let's use this preset. But you see, I wanna definitely add the floaty Fender chorus. You see how it sounds? Give you a nice effect. Like that. Okay, let's okay. Nice, nice. Now let's make sure that everything is at the same level. Okay, let's remove those. And now I think we are the release is too long. Nice. Okay. Nice. I think I want to change that checker. Yeah, that's it, guys. That's how you create this bass right there. You just go, you select the KBD sign piano, and you see, and then you remove those high frequencies, and then you deactivate the reverb. You leave the chorus as it is, or you can remove it if you want to. But I love it with the chorus effect on it, and yeah, that's it. And you can use it in any of your instrumental. It's going to sound good. By the way, let me know in the comment section if you want me to complete this bit right there, or if you want it to be simple, I can send it over to you and you create some dope instrumental with it. Send it back to me so I can give you my feedback. So yeah, that's it. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please let me know if you want more sound design tutorial with stock plugin. Yeah, if you have any question, don't hesitate, leave a comment, and see you on the next one.